Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because I know that nose ring, they're nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell here.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Shani more me a follow.
Oh, so Shani made this sing at them. Shani made this song for Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of going to have to come out.
I look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the body, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make your name, never make a mistake.
So where your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man has stress, problem and all these things. Me? Single, free and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want real businessman. I want liars.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money. Me alright. Because I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
And a car mat.
Don't worry. I shall. In the name of God, Miss Wu.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us say, yeah, you have me own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right, sir.
See so. Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, you don't say we did all go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo, no, I'm standing on fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, my virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, I say me that.
Ashley, name. Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care, for real, man. You say fire in the board door.
No fire in the day, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, you like your friends still, probably will drive out to that door. And then I take a walk. Let's say about that.
How would you know you like?
I do me like, man. I like she too, you know, but...
Ready.
What's the way I want so far?
Why are you here?
Why?
Is he a care?
Brush off your dreams come true.
So, hold on up, where's the fire in the board door?
I'm fire in the day, but we there, come. Wait, carry. I enjoyed that, girl. Girl, me say, get up, me just dream, say I come in.
You did a 6.
Come here, let's no, what the best I come up there? You say, girl. Then the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream, say I go on with yourself, you know, girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man no go on.
One with what? You want to do it in a car and that talk about how you want to make a yard or something. Them say no.
Tappiness. Watch this and mix up on it. You can duck quack.
It look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, we are per road. We are there, sir.
Oh, then deal with it, sir.
I'm going to come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, just me walk along.
Yeah. Me know say normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But you're jiggle.
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey.
Got it.
Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go the car.
No, answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about the hair? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, babes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, me that move, man. Which river now go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. Me I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back, come link you, man. Me tell you, it's something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with
But
me.
yeah, give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. Come on, look nice. How do you see your name? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
You look like you have money. You can get a girl from.
Enough money, man, but watch out. Can't go back way in there.
Back way that one. Have you buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master?
Oh, yeah, talk some. I have money. Come in the car, man.
Give me money first.
Come in the car now.
2 pounds of chicken, rice,
Yo, your shit better than
little juice.
No, I'm going to show you something. Watch out, watch
give
out.
me-
I'm
give me
not
that
sure. A foreign money may I give you, quack, quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in the car. What is it? Come in the car. 20 euro. That.
Alright.
Come, you know how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in the
That's
car.
your word.
Come in the car, no,
My
man.
leg kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in the car. Just come in the car.
Take it from the back. Quack with you. Quack with. Ready?
Hey, you know, so me like your nose ring do I wish I buy.
Wanna buy?
Ask her again.
Yes, sis.
Ask her again.
Oh, alright, tell me then.
Ready?
You know, so do
So me, dog.
Ready now.
No talking.
Read again. Talk now, Jutta.
that no Jutta.
I'm sorry about my manners, but my name is Hector
Actually,
Smith,
my name.
aka Yaman Jutta.
Ready?
My name is Care.
No, I can't take on the weed though, but you know, I like your friend still, and I'll probably drive out with her, or you know, I take a walk, you see me?
How much do you like?
You me like, man. I like she too, you know, but
Ready?
what's your way I want?
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me don't ask if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I don't want to save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are left the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired
Mama,
to
me not
talk to
go
you.
nowhere. Me just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So
If you like give me something to talk about and cuss every day about, Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free for talk, you hear? That me I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come where you buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so me I go tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there! Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy out here, there you go.
Your mother don't know yard them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Red channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell herself to take out the chicken. Remember to take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I'm gonna be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me what I come get them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
I just see your mother up the road. She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes of my file. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you say that told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can't eat.
I'm cool, come girl, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Yeah, I tell you. You good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there.
You have to go wait because my friend there, I never know so she don't stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see keep promise.
Friend don't stop by. I never know so she don't stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call you?
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. Can't get me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun hot and talk about rain and go fall. Girl.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more around there now, so look at juice here.
I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and want to sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry now.
Dirty boy, she want to go with mwana bola bwelelo mwana famala Evan Mubina. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I want ya. The man that can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come going here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and told me not going to do nothing.
She's not there here. Look, if you go to another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them were sitting up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, after you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something, man. You're going to have me and for your money by it.
Just me a real joke.
money to fix up my TV. Even I don't want to get my 30,000 to fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I could long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you little pitney. I know say you's very prime. Come hey, I don't know you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
I don't know if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. Yep, when you plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she soon now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she soon now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know man? Fly high, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, I got to spot.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright.
Alright.
No, I know.
No, something wanted.
How are that now?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, you see one.
I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. Say your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan for do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm
The best advice I can give you after dash it right now.
I don't have no money. You give me some money?
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work. Plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I can't. I don't know what to do.
And I know me did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. You don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I'm planning forward. Yeah, so you mean we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her to the yard.
Hello? Hello? May I come to Mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, I can come stay with you.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I go down I was doing, I go collect a little food there for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money I want she go collect for me. You see?
Alright.
Hello? How are that, you know? Alright.
Alright.
You get her?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you now. Nothing no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How I'm gonna text up on phone. Well as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See, the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing now? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out you hear me. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me won't even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying there with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out to the sun, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me a call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me a call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the side wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't just say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find it.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I forgot to change back this one for my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are you? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then they? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask.
Okay, I know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo! Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, you know, my youth. No bother with that, you know. No bother with that, you know. Today you tell me, you know.
Dada. Yo, John, no, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? But yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, if I go on so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, oh, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighborhood know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, me I sort out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me a friend me.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach you, so. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me you apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing, probably you have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit, dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know, say a long time, you see me? You link me and... Can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me everything prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get the thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? Now go there right now, so I'm not going to wait for
that. That's how I remind you. Today are the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when we come back, you know, I'm not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. Me sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the shop. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. I don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give you still now when you're ready to move, you know.
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when man got done out, I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man, but no, don't worry yourself, man, everything will go alright, man.
You know me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You don't even know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery to go deep.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, you know. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
You have a sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, no. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, don't watch that. Everything is good. Alright. What's that?
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me, you know, because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good, you know? You girl there.
pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down and change and come.
Yo. You know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know if you're collecting some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you're getting some money, you know. So here you go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure you do what I tell you, see me? I'm serious them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Hey, baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of look a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over iPhone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out with these. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then you move a type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try it.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming?
You're dead!
Yo! Yo, man, come across me. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are deal with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You
And
know
that
there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going and say daddy. I mean I tell you, I not seen upon a while go chase
you
dog.
could mad.
I tell you say at the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? We can't explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I'm that one stress moment off my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. See there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone I'm a car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I look weird say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. The money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say, put the money under the mattress. What nobody not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to ask you the same thing.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me and the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl that go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look a girl, my money there. You don't know spend my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl me say my money there? You don't know spend my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need let me car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. Look, you can put on me, but nobody knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, still to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't me? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't me? But easy yourself, my man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them same way, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, me.
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my Snakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look.
Alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Hold on, pause it quick. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to, you know. I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shut
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Remember tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, start you have to run. It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't say she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I would want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV, you don't know over here so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, I want you to see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know your boy, Board Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Play, still dirty, mama. Brittany!
Come in my rock pin shop.
No, man, someone like that, man. Ben no pretty for man, watch out. Game? No, man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No, man. Brittany there. Mama, she got. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how the house there?
Hold on this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't have morning. Suppose if you say no go when your auntie them go see, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, you need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good, you see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean I try put in there but you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. What's something happen? But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. And if you do better now, yo, go down clean it. Go down clean it. Go down clean it. Okay.
for me that, Lisa. What is that? What is that? You done? You know, say, I didn't think I'm run from. I run from things that are so hard. That's to make sure you provide everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it to Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental up so. Eh? And plus you are going to make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide it on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's reminds me of? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it 2 or 1 enough. Hey, you try to remember to play the before wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 What happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy,
What happened to you?
the day up there, cousin, something that says to me, you start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Come enough to depend on people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, how is school and sitting?
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl having a little boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have me. Why boy you little boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you don't have sex?
Me not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So me not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge mood in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them man, because you know see what them do to them young. You know look at your eyeball. Look out your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them left them left it on them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How about this shit? She still not watch me play them? No, sir. Still look again like it from back to
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me now.
What's here? Miss Sissy, are you sure you kid with you now? Brittany, you still ever play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still ever play them up there, Brittany?
What this man?
Where are you today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think so nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief, I don't want nothing, I don't beg you nothing. And Brittany make me there.
Brittany
and
make you
my
there.
daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick Pitney, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. Last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go on, go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Well, I'm just can't bother this thing right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Mother, me did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bother. Right now, I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just, I'm sick and tired of it. Look up video and see, Insta act up. When I was wrong with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back me.
I know, baby. I want to say, a long time I link though. I said I can't go on Fiji night. I say,
Well, me never, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I ain't ready yet. I'm not ready.
Look on me, look how long me I talk. I never cheat for you. I have to about wait, target you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always to the fear. Look there, as you calm me there, your foot. See, I must can't make a general feel nice in the night. Most can't give me a play. What you say? Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I see. Never know. You see me? But don't worry yourself here. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm gonna first song so. Let's see, I'm coming for us.
Daddy run out and we may have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask them probably could have stayed here for the night.
Seriously, girl? Your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah?
Don't sit down and look right, yo. Zaffa, come in. Cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time, yeah. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So you eat it? Well, me I want snacks in my bag when me eat, but would I eat something else, yes? Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something. Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember, so we need to talk about what happened last night, because I don't understand why your father would have run out here for late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember, so we have to talk. Here? Alright. Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of your house. Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You know, see me like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it, so you know, walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So, me and her the one place, something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place or something, but she come out her yard and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. He run my mother out of place or something. My mother gone. In the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me. And I tell him to come out of his place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go out of his place. And I mean that. Just see me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that. Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this, we need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater. We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet her down at the police station, so you can just go and left me if you come down there. Here? Brittany, make sure you don't play with me, you know. Make sure you don't play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know, man, right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, man. God know, cause after I see a young man turn around the road one night, yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a foul person, I never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just push your tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
You can't tell me so that no mean nothing to you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already? That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacy. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask right now.
Alright, Travis. I'll give you space, I can think about you here. I'll check you back later, yeah? Or me call you. I can call you later. You just want you get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, you see me?
When I call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can you get a hug before I go?
Just go on the stage, just go on, man.
Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, you know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm not going to link you.
Alright, brother. Yo, me get one nice soup, them, yeah? Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
We can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh.
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and on tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her on tall. Alright, no problem. Now, James, where go on, brother? You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Come here. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She did with her mother, by the way, man. I said, I'm not so do that right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
You may call Travis phone and now get there.
Travis!
How would that call? What way? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say the time say I white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
You see, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some leave, and my girlfriend lived there with the same. I stayed there for the night and things, so that's it. I'm forward over here. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So which part to carry this?
You know, say, whether I may drive and I swing out of one dog and just licking at one patrol, you know, front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but
So you see, I live.
yeah, man, this one. Not too bossy still, no, but yeah, I try to work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So one can never just scare me here. So last night more than we gonna guest house.
God no be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, let's bring you up by guest house, man. And worse, want you feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay, because nobody expect say you're forward and everything, you see me? And me calling some people to go work on your house and things, you see me? So, yes. How long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for 1 week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going on, and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on or something, you see me? You know, say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Maybe, of course. You can't stay for the night, man. Cook something up and dumpling and make you get food and we see.
I wonder if I look again and a leak off already. Young man worried in that place. Yo. Hello?
Yeah, ready for this. She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data? Me run out no data. So where is she? She run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she need to meet up in her town. But me don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, you just get me together, yeah.